Hello, this is Constitutional Attorney Katherine Henry, and this is just a brief update on Restore Freedom Weekly. I came live to you on August 1st for our last full episode of Restore Freedom Weekly. At the end of that episode, I told you that I was having to head up north to Michigan to be with one of my best friends who was in the hospital fighting cancer. I was thankful for the time I was able to have with her, although we ultimately lost her this month, and it's been hard ever since. I promised her that I would watch after her girls, including her 14-year-old granddaughter, whom she'd been raising. Well, that obviously is not just an easy task that you can just undertake with no effort at all. So I've spent the entire month working out all those details and jumping into that new role. In fact, I wanted to come live to you today because when I did a very short update a couple weeks ago, I wasn't quite sure what things would look like, and I thought I might be coming live to you for the first time again next week. But this week we are going to be in Michigan again, and in fact tomorrow we'll have our full guardianship hearing, and Friday we will have my friend Deb's memorial service. So, well, I guess I'm going to ask that you pray for us, our family, and my friend Deb's family through this sad time in our lives. And I ask that you pray for our immediate family as we welcome a new kid into the mix and we change up how we do things. And that we're able to give her all the love and care that she needs. And that I'm able to hold to my word that I gave my friend Deb as I told her it was time that she was able to rest and that she could go home into the arms of Jesus. With that being said, it has finally hit me that this coming weekend is Labor Day weekend, and so we were originally planning on not having a show next week. And given all that's been going on, the pending hurricane coming to Florida and all that we have going on this week, otherwise, it's probably a good idea that I don't try to squish in preparing for a whole nother episode next Tuesday. So just wanted to let you guys know that we plan to be back not next Tuesday, but 2 weeks from today. And we look forward to seeing you all there, engaging in the live chat, asking questions, and having that robust discussion that we love to share with you Tuesdays at noon for our Restore Freedom Weekly episodes. Of course, with the full episodes being back at that time, we will once again be posting our Wednesday Way to Get Involved challenges, our Thursday 10-minute Constitution segment recap video, and our Friday freedom fighting tools. So make sure to check back for all of those segments as well. But in the meantime, in these next 2 weeks here, please take a look at all the resources that we already have available for you on our website, restorefreedomkh.com. There's lots of videos that explain various things from how to represent yourself to what kinds of decisions the U.S. Supreme Court and various state Supreme Courts have been deciding in the last couple of years. What are the implications of those decisions? What can government agencies do? We've seen in the news that there's new mask mandates or jab mandates, etc. Take another look at what that all means. How can that go down? What things are actually considered laws in our country? We've certainly talked about that a lot in the last couple years with our Restore Freedom Weekly episodes. But don't stop there. Go back to 2020 and 2021 and check out the hundreds of videos and thousands of postings that we have done on social media that give information about all those things and so much more. Any freedom fighting topic that you have an interest in or that you need more information on, check out our website first, because there is likely to be something on there that you can use. Whether you're in a civil case or criminal case, whether it's an administrative type of hearing, whether you're appealing a decision or heading to an initial trial or hearing, whether you're just dealing with your employer or your place of housing or a neighborhood group of some kind, your child's school perhaps. All kinds of resources, from example letters to business postings, just giving you straight up laws and constitutional provisions that are there to protect you and your God-given liberties. So we look forward to seeing you live 2 Tuesdays from today to join us once again for our discussions on freedom fighting and specifics on how to fight back. But we encourage you to check out all that there is already available on our website and social media platforms between now and then. We thank you for your prayers and for your support, and we will join you live again soon. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a great day.